Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Kid Knives is probably one of the most essential tools for any young aspiring chef, offering a safe and effective way to introduce children to the joys of cooking and food preparation, allowing them to participate more actively in the kitchen while developing crucial life skills and a deeper appreciation for healthy eating, making it an invaluable addition to any family's culinary adventures. Number 5. JOVITEC 8 PCS Kid Safe Nylon Chef Knife Set. Introducing a set of 8 colorful nylon knives designed for your child's culinary adventures. They are perfect for little hands exploring the kitchen. These versatile tools can safely cut a wide variety of foods, from fruits and vegetables to bread and cakes. Let your child help prepare meals with ease. Featuring serrated edges, these knives are designed to protect little fingers from harm. They offer a safe alternative to traditional metal knives. Made from high-quality, BPA-free plastic, these knives are non-toxic and durable. They can even be safely soaked in boiling water without deforming. Bond with your child over cooking and create delicious dishes together. This set fosters healthy life skills and provides a wonderful opportunity for shared experiences. What we like. This set offers a variety of knife shapes for different cutting tasks. Its safe serrated edges are designed to protect little fingers. If you're looking for a versatile starter set that encourages safe exploration in the kitchen, this is a great choice. What people say. The knives are designed to be safe for children, with rounded tips and a serrated edge that cuts through food easily. They are made of durable plastic and are dishwasher safe, making them easy to clean and long-lasting. The set includes 3 different sizes of knives, perfect for various tasks and for children of different ages. Number 4. Montessori Kitchen Toys for Toddlers, Real Cooking Sets. Introducing a fun and safe way for your toddler to explore the joy of cooking. This set is designed to spark creativity and encourage imaginative play in the kitchen. This comprehensive set includes a variety of tools like safe knives, cutting boards, and peelers. It has everything your child needs to pretend and prepare delicious meals. Crafted from healthy, BPA-free materials like wood and food-grade plastic, these tools are designed with safety in mind. They are non-toxic, durable, and perfect for little ones. With cute designs and child-friendly features, this set makes learning fun. It helps develop fine motor skills and encourages them to engage in activities with the family. These toys provide a wonderful opportunity for parents and children to bond. Let your child imitate adult behavior and build essential life skills while having a blast together. Watch as they chop, peel, and create their own culinary masterpieces. This set is perfect for encouraging independence and fostering a love for food and cooking. What we like. This set stands out with its inclusion of a charming wooden knife featuring cute patterns. It also comes with a wide array of other useful kitchen tools. If you want a Montessori-inspired set that sparks a child's imagination and provides diverse cutting and shaping options, consider this one. What people say. The knives are safe for children to use and learn with. They are made of durable plastic that can withstand frequent use. The set includes various types of knives, allowing for different culinary tasks. Number 3. SALUFO Montessori Kitchen Tools for Toddlers. Introducing a kitchen tool set designed with your child's safety as the top priority. Made from BPA-free materials, these tools are perfect for young chefs aged 3 and up. This comprehensive set includes everything your child needs to explore the kitchen, from safe knives to peelers. It's designed to foster independence and develop essential motor skills. Watch your child's confidence grow as they safely help prepare meals. These tools empower them to participate in real cooking activities, bridging imaginative play with practical life skills. Built for endless kitchen adventures, these tools are shatter-resistant and simple to clean. The plastic items are even dishwasher safe for your convenience. Looking for a creative, screen-free gift? This vibrant set is ideal for birthdays and holidays, offering a wonderful way for families to bond over culinary fun. What we like. This option is specifically designed with Montessori principles in mind, focusing on developing fine motor skills and independence. The tools are durable and easy to clean, making them practical for everyday use. If you prioritize educational value and want a set that helps children gain confidence in the kitchen, this is an excellent pick. What people say. The knives are made of durable plastic and are safe for children to use. They are perfect for little hands and encourage culinary creativity. The set includes a variety of sizes for different tasks, making them versatile for cooking with kids. Number 2. JOVITEC 10 PCS Kids Safe Plastic Knives. Introducing a set of 10 safe plastic knives designed for little chefs. They come in 5 vibrant colors, with 2 of each: blue, yellow, green, orange, and rose red. Crafted from durable nylon with serrated edges, these knives help protect little fingers from the risks associated with sharp metal knives. Let your child explore their culinary creativity safely. Made from BPA-free, non-toxic, and tasteless materials, these knives are built to last. They can even be soaked in boiling water without deforming, ensuring easy and safe cleaning. These nylon knives are safe to use with non-stick cookware. You can confidently let your child help in the kitchen without worrying about damaging your pots and pans. Spark your child's interest in cooking with this fantastic nylon knife set. It's a wonderful way to bond with your kids, create lasting memories, and teach valuable life skills together. Watch as your children eagerly join you in the kitchen, ready to prepare delicious dishes. This set makes cooking an enjoyable and educational experience for the whole family. What we like. With a generous quantity of 10 knives in vibrant colors, this set ensures there are enough for multiple children or frequent use. The nylon material is safe and can even be soaked in boiling water without damage. If you need a bulk set for a classroom, playgroup, or a family with several budding chefs, this offers great value. What people say. These knives are designed for children and are safe to use. The knives are made of high-quality materials and are very durable. They are perfect for teaching children how to cook and prepare food safely. Number 1. 40 PCS Kids Real Cooking Knife Set. Ignite your child's culinary passion with our comprehensive cooking starter kit, designed for ages 3 and up. This set is perfect for supervised food preparation, allowing little ones to safely explore the joys of cooking. Our 40-piece set comes with everything your child needs to get started, including child-safe knives, a recipe book, and fun cutters. It's designed to make meal prep an engaging and educational experience. Safety is our top priority. The tools are made from BPA-free plastic and wood, featuring rounded tips and kid-friendly edges. This ensures a safe and controlled cutting experience for your little chef. Watch as your child easily slices fruits, vegetables, cheese, and soft bread. The included crinkle cutter and shape cutters add an extra element of fun, perfect for picky eaters and creative snacks. This set is inspired by Montessori principles, fostering independence, coordination, and confidence in your child. It's a fantastic way to encourage hands-on learning and develop essential life skills through cooking. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe plastic tools. This thoughtful set makes a wonderful gift for birthdays and holidays, providing hours of creative fun and learning. What we like. This is the ultimate starter kit, packed with an extensive collection of tools including a recipe book to guide young chefs. Many of the plastic components are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. If you're looking for a comprehensive gift that provides everything a child needs to start cooking and baking, this all-in-one set is perfect. What people say. The knives are made of durable plastic and are safe for children to use. They are designed to cut soft foods like cheese, fruits, and vegetables. The set includes 3 different sizes, making them versatile for various tasks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.